سفيعنا وشمية عجا سفيعنا عاو سفيعنا صعرفايان. بسم الله. Relax, you have been working all day. نكم كشق ما بيس وأنا سيدير ساعة. بسم الله.
Thank you.
Sharif, give me one of those big pillows. I can, but can big. Kowe, can I kowe? But I don't know right. How was your day, honey? Bring your feet. Bring your feet. Yep. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. How was your? Sharif, give me a small towel, mama, so the pillow doesn't get.
Wait, toilet paper?
Towel, small.
What's going on?
Just massaging for you. Towel, how am I have the camera there and just, you know, these poor feet, they have been working. Oh, they're so tired.
It's so soft.
Isn't it though? Oh. Okay, towel can how am I can look towel kala. Skin, how was work? Yeah, you sold a lot of herbs and what a big show. Yeah, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, these poor toes. Luguha ma shaqeynayeen.
Stand all day.
ما كان لك بعدين كان تقدر قبته تاجي عشرين. شريف, you make me laugh, mama. Oh, شريف عدي. كو على رحينا.
Oh wow.
You have been working, honey, for a long. Your feet is cold. It gets warm. See, babe?
Wow.
Yes.
Treatment.
Yes. You said you are going out to eat tonight to apologize what you have done to me of the alole. So I'm waiting for you to take me out.
Oh.
Right, babe?
Alright.
Right? Are we going out tonight, or you rather stay and rest?
I knew that we were planning to go out. That's nice.
Yeah. So now
I didn't know it was an apology thing.
you have to. I thought you said you were taking me out.
Yeah, I didn't take me out.
Yeah, to apologize what you did. You ran. Actually, because man debate alole already. Huh?
I didn't know that was the.
That was the reason you said.
I just thought I was taking me out. Like,
No, you are apologizing.
to be a nice husband.
You are very nice husband. Yep. نفيعا. Yes.
Well, thank you. This is really nice.
Yes. You know, I have to take care of my husband first.
Nice pre-date.
Yes. سفيعنا وشمية عجا سفيعنا عاو سفيعنا صعرفايان. This is what you do, you massage.
Woo.
Yes, you stretch him.
I'm not too used to that.
Just get used to it, honey, tonight. Get used to it because you're taking me out.
I remember your dad used to get this.
Yes, I'm treating you like the king. And me, you are the king, and we'll go get the rest of us. So,